Good day, dear children. I hope you all are fine. I am Narasa Bryan, your class 5 social studies teacher. Dear children, the topic which we are going to study today is our culture. Let's first know what is culture. Culture defines the way a group of people lives. It includes the language they speak, the way they dress, the way they celebrate their festivals, and the religion they follow. It also includes their arts and crafts, their music, and the games they play. This is a picture of a joint family. As we all live in a joint family, in a family we live with our grandparents, aunts, and uncles. We speak Urdu and also our regional language. Sometimes we speak English too. We wear the national dress of Pakistan, that is Shalwar Kameez. In our family, we eat traditional foods like makai ki roti, sarson ka saag, and if we have any occasion or some guest come to visit our house, we make special dishes for them like pulao, korma, zarda, mutton karai, different kinds of naan, and biryani too. We have a great tradition of hospitality. Guests are welcomed with open arms and are looked after very well. Children, in our country, Pakistan, we celebrate many different festivals. Festivals are an expressive way to celebrate different days, culture, and traditions. Here is a list of different festivals we celebrated in our country. We have Eid-ul-Azha, Eid-ul-Fitr, Ramadan, Eid-e-Miladul-Nabi, Christmas, Easter, Holi, and Diwali. Let's read it once again. Eid-ul-Azha, Eid-ul-Fitr, Ramadan, Eid-e-Miladul-Nabi, Christmas, Easter, Holi, and Diwali. When we have any festival, we prepare ourselves to enjoy the festival, and for this, especially women go out for shopping. They buy new clothes and shoes. No Eid is complete without matching brightly colored glass bangles. On Eid, girls and women put henna designs on the palms. It is an age-old tradition among females. Savaiya is the traditional sweet dish served in every home on Eid-ul-Fitr. On the day of Eid, boys and men go to the mosque for the prayer. It's a tradition. After offering Eid prayers, they meet and embrace each other in the spirit of brotherhood. Children, it is interesting to note the similarities and diversities. Diversity means varieties in the regional cultures of Pakistan. Let's read some of the similarities. People living in all the 4 provinces speak Urdu because it is the national language. Most people follow Islam. 97% of the population is Muslim. The majority of the people of Pakistan wear their national dress. Children are trained to respect their elders and to love and care for their peers. Peers mean the ones who are equal to you. We all know that Pakistan is divided into 4 provinces, that is Sindh, Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. Each province has its own tradition and culture which they follow. Now here is a chart of the 4 provinces with their culture and diversity, means the varieties of their cultures and tradition. You can see this in your book on page number 66. Let us know about the different cultures and traditions we have in our provinces. The first province we have Sindh. The regional language which is spoken in the province of Sindh is Sindhi. Here you can see a picture of a Sindhi girl. Their famous food is biryani. The folk dance of Sindh is called Bhagat. And Sindh is famous for the art and craft of Ajrak. The next we have province Punjab. The regional language that is spoken in Punjab is Punjabi or Saraiki. Here is a picture of 2 men of Punjab. One is holding a dhol in his hand. Their famous or traditional food is aloo methi. There are 2 kinds of folk dance in Punjab. The female put gitta and men and women both, they do bhangra. Punjab is famous in making toys. The third province we have Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Their regional language is Pashto or Hindko. Here you can see a picture of 2 girls. Their national or traditional food is chapli kebab. The folk dance of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is called Atan. And Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is famous in brass work. They put designs on the household items like spoon, plates, dishes. The last province we have Balochistan. Their regional language is Balochi or Brahavi. Here you can see the picture of few men sitting and they are wearing the cultural dress of Balochistan. Their traditional food is sajji. Their folk dance is called Do Chhap. And Balochistan is famous in handicrafts. So this is the chart of different culture and tradition we have in all our 4 provinces. Children, here you have your home task. You have to answer the following questions. Number 1 is, what is culture? Number 2, name some traditional foods we eat. Number 3, what do you mean by festivals? List the name of different festivals. Number 4, write down the similarities in the regional culture of Pakistan. And number 5, make a chart of diversity of different provinces of Pakistan. I will briefly discuss the answers with you. As you have seen in the lesson, if you will see it and listen the lessons very carefully, you will find the answers. Number 1 is, what is culture? I have explained it to you that culture defines the way of a group of people lives. It includes the language they speak, the way they dress, the way they celebrate their festivals, and the religion they follow. It also includes their arts and craft, their music, and the games they play. So this is the definition of the culture. Then number 2, we have named some traditional foods we eat. I have already told you the names, that we make makai ki roti, sarson ka saag, and lassi. Then if we have guests at home, so we make some special foods for them like pulao, zarda, mutton kadai, korma, naan, biryani. So these are some of the traditional foods. Then number 3 is, what do you mean by festivals? Festival is a way of expressing to celebrate different days, cultures, or traditions. Then we have the list, the names of different festivals. You can write the names of the festivals: Eid ul Azha, Eid ul Fitr, Eid Miladul Nabi, Christmas, Holi, and etc. Then we have write down the similarities in the regional culture of Pakistan. The similarities which we have read, they are 4, that people living in all the 4 provinces speak Urdu because it is the national language of our country. Then most of the people follow Islam. 95% of the population is Muslim. The majority of the people of Pakistan wear their national dress, that is shalwar kameez. Children are trained to respect their elders and to love the people of their age and those who are equal to them. Then you have to make a chart of diversity of different provinces of Pakistan. The chart which we have seen and we have discussed about the 4 provinces, you have to make it and you have to write their different cultures and traditions they follow, about their food and their folk dance. Note, do all the previous homework and this homework in your social studies copy. Marks will be given to you on the basis of your homework. Dear students, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you.